had gone back to my marriage on my mother's behest, again after staying away for 2 years.
You were thinking a certain way. I was thinking another way.
I've died and मेरी dead body निकाली जा रही है घर से.
Don't cry.
I'm not crying, shut up. Start of another career was not easy for me.
You are almost best friends with your ex-husband. Yes.
You know, मैं अपने लिए बोल नहीं पाती थी यार कुछ.
Just to recap again, now it's 11:30, right? We actually started from Niyadi's place at 7:30, 7:40 a.m. And we have taken 3 or 4 pit stops actually.
Can I get 2 iced coffees कर दो?
हाँ.
2 iced coffees but with very little sugar.
Without milk, without milk.
नहीं, iced coffee.
Ice americano है, पूछ.
Do you
नेक्स्ट अंदर है ना आगे
actually manage होगा ये?
अरे
Drive-through shit.
ओके ओके. अभी तक ऐसा कोई पेट फ्रेंडली कैफे ढाबा नहीं मिला.
हाँ, मतलब
That is an
but
important
spaces
point.
हैं कन्वीनियंस के साइड में, लेकिन
You can't take them in. You can't take them to. And I think that is something that needs to change in India because when you're traveling abroad, everyone can take dog inside. But okay, so let me ask you a question. We'll keep a time limit. 11:30 हो रहा है. Okay, let's not put time limit. We have very different personalities. Like I said, right? I'm shameless, for example. You have some shame in front of people. How you? I mean, you think of society a little, right? कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, or you don't care about लोग क्या कहेंगे.
both yes and no, because I don't care about लोग क्या कहेंगे in the things that I really want to do, and I don't stop myself from लोग क्या कहेंगे perspective from anything I want to do. But in general, say coming out, whenever I'm coming out of the house, in general I like to be, you can say, well turned out, or a certain decorum I like maintaining. I think that, not like कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, it's मेरी अपनी मर्जी.
I think you used to be more.
Yeah, very more,
But now you're not, which is evident.
Yeah.
कि you are taking some very bold decisions in life,
Absolutely.
which probably 10 साल पहले तू नहीं करती.
बिल्कुल.
Probably 5 साल पहले भी तू नहीं करती.
5 साल पहले तो किया.
चल ठीक है, 7 साल पहले.
5 साल पहले से ज्यादा किया. 7 साल पहले किया. 2018 में मैंने सबसे बोल्ड डिसीजन लिया पहला.
So until when? रतलाम. Okay, sorry, रतलाम आने वाला है.
आने नहीं वाला, बहुत दूर है अभी.
2:30.
So
तो बता, what changed that made you think fuck it यार, मतलब you should think about yourself, you should stop thinking about क्या कहेंगे लोग, and you know, you have been someone who has been an abiding daughter, an abiding
yeah,
family person, an abiding sister, all of that,
yeah,
to fuck it, I want to be selfish a little,
yeah.
and I want to do what I want to do in life. What changed?
Yeah, I think it's the same with most people. I think like you've already said, I operated by the book for a long time in my life. I suppose I did everything that was expected out of me in every role in my life. Daughter, sister, wife, friend, जो भी केले. To the best of my ability, it used to be the center point of my life. कि सारे रोज अच्छे से निभाने वाली बात जो है ना, इसको भी अपीज करना है, उसको भी अपीज करना है. Like, since I read a lot about personalities since the past few years, I think I can say that I was a quintessential people-pleasing daughter. And I was a quintessential
Daughter or person in general?
people-pleasing daughter. एक personality type है almost.
अच्छा.
Which I read. Remember I sent you a meme about the people-pleasing daughter?
Yeah.
So I was that for a long time, and I took all my major decisions according to my mother. And I mean, something as basic as before I got married, I would wear clothes according to her as well.
Correct.
And I got married at the age of 25. Until 25 years of age, I hadn't worn anything that my mother wouldn't allow me. And she wouldn't allow me to wear a spaghetti even.
Yeah.
Right?
Off shoulder, anything.
Not off shoulder, तो लंबा पात हो गया, तो स्पैगेटी भी नहीं अलाउ करता था. और मैं पहनती थी जो वो कहती थी. I think it's only मेरी शादी से 1 साल पहले, when I was interning, is when I actually even went out of my house, or went out at night, I mean, with my friends and all, जिसमें जो मुझे आइडली अलाउ नहीं करती है मम्मी, तो मैंने झूठ बोला. ओके, राइट. बट पहले तो सच बोल के तो मुझे कभी कभी कॉफी जाने के लिए भी नहीं अलाउ करती थी शाम को 4 बजे.
Correct, I remember.
राइट. So then I realized, I think at some point that was a very small decision कि क्या मतलब मना होते होते तो मतलब my life is passing me by with no experiences in my hand. And so I think chota mota that time, then when I got married, it was a sort of a liberation for me because I could finally do things according to me, including wearing clothes.
Yeah.
But uske baad I think, yeah, it's a no secret that my marriage didn't work out.
It could be a secret.
Yeah, well, it didn't work out. And even when my marriage was not working out and was going haywire, that time also I tried to do the correct thing according to me, right? Which is that I knocked on the correct doors. I told my parents, my mother, my in-laws. I tried to get everyone on the table. I didn't try to do anything by myself. I kept everyone in the loop.
Yeah.
एंड आई थिंक वो सब करते 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 भी ना एक पॉइंट आया जो मैंने रियलाइज किया कि सब अपनी मर्जी का ही कर रहे हैं, कोई मेरे को सेंटर में रख के नहीं कर रहा कुछ.
करेक्ट.
राइट कोई ये नहीं सोचा कि इसकी खुशी इन दी एंड किस में है. राइट सब अपने रीजन की वजह से डिसीजन ले रहे हैं एंड आई एम नॉट ब्लेमिंग देम. आई फील लाइक वो सबकी एक अपनी एक्वायर्ड आदत होती है लाइफ में, कंडीशनिंग होती है, लोग क्या कहेंगे होता है. सो देन आई थिंक I technically think that it was this one time when I had gotten sick and I had gone back to my marriage on my mother's behest again after staying away for 2 years.
Yeah.
And she had sort of pushed me to go back and I was back. And I remember I had gotten very sick, so much that कि मुझे लगता था कि something is going to happen to me. कोविड का टाइम था, बहुत तबीयत खराब थी. तो तब मुझे लगता था कि विल आई पेरिश. मुझे सपने भी ऐसे आते थे कभी कभी. मुझे एक बार बहुत कैटेगोरिकली याद है कि मुझे सपना आया था कि आई हैव डाइड एंड मेरी डेड बॉडी निकाली जा रही है घर से.
What the hell?
हाँ, तो मैंने मन में सोचा तब कि व्हाट हैव आई गॉट टू शो फॉर माय लाइफ. मैं तो सबकी बात नहीं सुनती रह गई. तब तक आई हैड रिटन माय बुक्स आल्सो. तो 2 years that I was away,
I did a lot.
Yes.
Yeah, you did
Yes,
a lot.
I did a lot, right? I changed my career and the start of another career was not easy for me, but I persevered. You know, I know people personally, I'm sure you know people personally who came to Bombay and just couldn't survive their rule.
Yeah.
And I did. And frankly, I do think that I did have, in some weird way, of course, my sister was there. That was a good thing.
Who is that sister?
एक है तो that was a good view. And in हाँ like I said, and in not so easy to explain way, even my then husband supported me.
Absolutely.
So I do think कि वो भी नहीं होता तो फिर मुश्किल हो जाता शायद.
Yeah.
But I think that I did, when I saw, if I look back now and what all I did or achieved in those 2 years,
Yeah.
Professionally, even personally for myself, how I grew.
Yeah.
सबसे बड़ी बात है कि आई बिकेम इंडिपेंडेंट इन जनरल, क्योंकि मैं एक कमरे में अकेले ना सोने वालों में से थी.
Yeah. I mean, I came to you a couple of times because you.
once in
Once or twice. एक बार बबीना में और
मतलब
एक.
तू मेरे पास आई तो बहुत बार है, बट क्योंकि मैं अकेले रहने वाली थी एक बार आई.
हाँ.
मतलब मैं ही तेरे को लेके गई
Yeah,
थी दिल्ली से.
yeah.
So I was someone like that, and to move to Bombay and choose to stay away and get out from my comfort zone was a big deal. And I think it really served me. So listening to everybody hadn't served me.
Yes.
Doing what I wanted to do by myself served me. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे जजमेंट नहीं मिली, मुझे बहुत जजमेंट मिली, बाहर से भी मिली, कभी कभी अंदर से भी मिली. But I used to think at the end of the day, if I am happy within myself with my actions and I can look at myself in the mirror, that's worth it. And and then I think ये हुआ, और उसके बाद when I went back or when I got sick, ये उस दिन मुझे लगा कि like उस टाइम तक ना, just making sure that I get a say divorce on paper was something that I didn't want to do by myself, लोगों को दुखी करके. I wanted everyone to reach the table and realize that we are not happy. But I realized that nobody was supporting it, but in their own ways for their own selves.
Yeah.
So तब मैंने सोच लिया कि अब मैं किसी की नहीं सोचूंगी. If I get better now, then I'm not going to look back. then I'm going to do what I think is right, and I'm going to take whatever steps serve me, and everyone else will have to settle down with my decision if they want to. If they don't, they don't. That's when I actually came back and I told my mother कि अब मैं वापस नहीं जा रही, and I will get a divorce and I will figure out खुद कैसे लेना है. And I told her I'm going to stay away and I'll stay by myself. And that time also the only thing was that she really like told me not to not leave her also. I think डरी हुई होंगी कि अभी यहाँ से आइए वहाँ से वो मैं मानती. But तब से ही I don't think मैंने अपनी ही सोची है. Not to say that मैंने किसी और के बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा या I stopped being there for my people और ऐसा कुछ नहीं. ये भी नहीं है कि मैंने ये सोचा, but then I chose कि जिसके लिए मन करेगा उसी के लिए. And yeah, I hope that answers your question.
नहीं यार, that's very cool. I think काफी लोग lot of people don't I mean we see them struggle, right? कि एक बार जैसे शादी हो गई, haven't worked for many years. I obviously know you did work for many years.
Yeah,
before you start like nursing again.
Yeah.
And that is a very ballsy move. I even remember कि I think I always say, I think I said it recently. I think we were giving an interview, right? And I said कि every decision matters, right? Every single decision matters, right? मतलब बहुत ही randomly हम एक हॉस्पिटल में थे और तूने वो नमाज वाला देखा था. I don't know अगर तेरे को पहले से पता था.
मतलब मैंने सुना हुआ था, but I hadn't deep dived into it.
हाँ, and मेरा गायनाक का अपॉइंटमेंट है, तो मेरे साथ है. And you saw that banner. It was in Apollo somewhere in Delhi, and very fancy hospital, right? It was an elite hospital.
Yeah.
And you took the pamphlet and you left.
हाँ, pamphlet नहीं था. I just saw that standee and then I remembered कि वो designation क्या लिखी है, and then I came back and
you researched about
yeah.
it. And that is our Vivas person is calling. जब आप जा रहे हैं, please सुनिए what he has to say. Adhiraj Singh Hada. Hello?
हेलो.
हाँ जी Adhiraj.
जी मैं पूछा था आपसे कि आप लंच लेंगे?
लंच लेंगे क्या? नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक हम लंच पे पहुंच पाए. नहीं, लंच नहीं लेंगे, हम डिनर लेंगे.
ओके, डिनर ठीक है.
हाँ जी.
ओके.
थैंक यू सो मच अकराज जी. आपको
thank you.
एक चीज बता दो कि आपके पास बोल होगा क्या, जो डॉग का बोल होता है?
हाँ, वो मिल जाएगा डॉग का बलिया आपको.
परफेक्ट. थैंक यू सो मच. वो मैं बोल लाना भूल गई आज.
जी.
ठीक है, थैंक यू.
वेल,
अगर प्रॉपर्टी सही निकली तो मैं आपको उसके बारे में बताऊंगी. But really, so yeah, but it's so nice, right? I mean, you went back, you did research, and you were hooked on, and then you pursued it immediately.
What made you be rebellious always? You were rebellious, right? Which is now I see it as मैंने तेरे से बड़ा सीखा actually. तूने जैसे मैं बता रही हूँ, जैसे कि मैं नो नहीं बोल पाती थी किसी को भी, right? Like नो तो मेरे मुंह में था ही नहीं, right? And I learned it from you actually कि just say no, नहीं होएगा तो नहीं होएगा, and मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ, या मैं यहाँ नहीं आ सकती हूँ, या मैं यहाँ पे नहीं कर सकती हूँ ये काम, या मैं आपके लिए नहीं कर सकती. I think that I definitely learned it from you. मतलब पहले मैं irritate भी होती थी कि यार ये किस हर चीज के लिए मना ही कर देती है, sort of मन में लगता होगा मुझे.
नहीं, I'm sure अभी भी लगता होगा.
नहीं, अब तो नहीं लगता, अब तो मैं पूछती भी नहीं इतना ज्यादा, और तू भी नहीं पूछती.
That's true.
लेकिन I'm saying कि like मुझे मतलब I think that's one thing I always tell everybody in fact that I learned from you कि जरूरी नहीं है हर इंसान को हमेशा प्लीज करना.
तो I think ये बहुत ही entrepreneurial चीज है actually. Only जब से स्टार्टअप शुरू किया है तब से रियलाइज किया कि नो saves you a lot of time. Say no more than you say yes basically. And rebellious तो खैर स्कूल से ही हो, राइट? मतलब पता नहीं क्यों एक्चुअली, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि तेरे से सीखा.
नहीं, मेरे से तो सीखा ही नहीं हो सकता, मैं तो उल्टा थी.
हाँ, क्योंकि मैं हूँ, हमेशा से ही हूँ. डेटिंग वाइज, व्हाट सब्जेक्ट आई वांट टू स्टडी, व्हाट फ्रेंड्स आई वांट टू हैंग आउट विद, मतलब मैंने लिटरली साइंस मम्मी ने दिलवा दिया.
उस टाइम तो मेरे को याद है, उस टाइम तो मेरे को लगता है थोड़ी टुगेदर स्ट्रगल थी, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि इट्स नॉट जस्ट दैट, इन जनरल आल्सो इन लाइफ की
I think I see that I think all of us have dealt with grief differently. And I think I felt very lonely, alone. Not because you weren't there. You were there, of course, but you were there as a mother figure. You were there as a. Of course, we were very good friends in college, school also. But I think in the I think maybe in dealing with the grief alone.
I think we all dealt with the grief alone only. हम लोग कभी कोई साथ में बैठ के नहीं रोए.
Exactly. So
All of us, I think, yeah.
तो मतलब शायद वहां से कुछ तो आता है कि मैं तो मेरे को अकेले ही लेने हैं ना डिसीजंस. लाइक पढ़ना अकेले है, क्या करना है डिसाइड करना है अकेले. बिकॉज डैडी वाज मोर इन्वॉल्व्ड, मम्मी कुड नॉट बी. शी हैड 100 अदर थिंग्स टू.
And you were very young also. पढ़ाई ये सब का देखने से.
Yeah, but I got used to doing things alone. I think, you know, taking decisions, even like going to Cardiff. I took a decision only because I took Neha, my best friend, other Neha, for counseling. And मैंने बोला अरे ये भी करते हैं लोग, पढ़ने जाते हैं अब्रॉड, मुझे भी जाना है. ये थोड़ी था कि मम्मी ने बोला है या किसने बोला है. It was not like that. It was like कि wow, this is, I didn't know only. If I knew, I would do it, you know, like that. So I think there was not mentorship की कमी in some sense,
हाँ, वो तो.
which daddy gave us, right?
I mean,
Gave you.
मेरे को तो नहीं, मेंटोरशिप क्या मतलब. आई थिंक दैट फॉर मी बोल दिया गया कि तुम्हें डॉक्टर बनना है तो डॉक्टर ही बनना है. दैट्स नॉट, वो भी मेरे को नहीं लगता. मेरे को लगता है अगर डैडी वुड हैव बीन अराउंड तो जब मैं
known better what you know.
Of course, मतलब मैं 8 में थी. मेरे को बहुत दिन तक मैंने सुना कि डैडी चाहते थे तुम डैडी चाहते थे तुम डॉक्टर बनो, डैडी चाहते थे तुम डॉक्टर बनो. आई थिंक वो थोड़ा अनफेयर था इनफैक्ट मेरे साथ. आई डोंट थिंक दैट आई वाज एवर एनकरेज्ड टू थिंक कि मैं खुद क्या करना चाहती हूँ, राइट. और बिकॉज आई वाज सच अ पीपल प्लीजर, मैंने उसको क्वेश्चन भी नहीं किया. मैंने भी मान लिया कि हाँ डैडी. तो मतलब मुझे लगता है कि अगर आज मैं होती तो मैं बोलती कि यार डैडी वही चाहेंगे कि मैं वो करूँ जिसमें मेरे को मन हो, राइट. बट ये डिसीजंस तो जो मेरे को बोल दिए गए बस मैंने सुन लिए. मतलब आई डिडंट, और मैंने you know I thought this is my path.
So I guess also seeing you, the path you were taking, it was out of compulsion, out of obligation. I don't know.
Yeah.
And I was like कि वो उससे तो better है ना कि मैं खुद ही somehow I don't know where I read it, what I would have done, पर मुझे लगा कि अपनी decision लेके fail होंगी तो better है than किसी और का decision लेके fail हो, because then वो regret is multifold. Regret.
Yeah, मैं तो इससे आगे सोच भी नहीं पाऊंगा यार. I think. Yeah, but I
have zero idea how I did. Actually, I have zero idea, but actually it was in my head कि मेरे को वही करना है जो मेरे को करना है. You know, and that has led me to great places. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है. They've been risky, of course. They've been risky. They've been and ये economics में सिखाते हैं, right? कि high risk, high reward, low risk, low reward. तो मेरे risks high रहे हैं, but it has been very rewarding as well. You know, if it has worked out. Like Akkar Bakkar, of course it failed, right? But many times because of co-founder issues. But the experience it gave me is next level. I think it's also feedback loop, right? कि एक decision तुम्हारा कुछ अच्छा करता है तो तुम दूसरा लेते हो, फिर तुम कि वो bait, it's like dog, right? कि positive reinforcement हो गया मेरे साथ. मुझे लगता है rebellion का. और फिर मैं करती गई तो नाउ तो इट्स अ मसल मेमोरी. अब मेरे को लगता है कि शिट यार आई वांट टू डू मोर. अब मेरा उल्टा चल रहा है थोड़ा सा, नॉट कम्प्लीटली उल्टा, बट मुझे मन करता है कि मम्मी की सुनना, यू नो.
वही मेरे को लगता है कि जो नहीं किया होता है वो आई थिंक लोगों को इवेंचुअली को करने का मन आता है. या
अभी ऐसे बहुत ही प्यार आता है मुझे ऐसे नहीं आता था हमेशा, यू नो. But I feel like क्या.
But I think she's also been there for you, यार. मतलब she has really been there for you the whole time that you've been in Delhi.
100%.
She's not left you, हाँ. So I think वो that must be there. Like I think वही the same things. I think between the two of us वही चीजें उल्टी पड़ी हैं. Like I think I moved away because I was feeling that she's just not there for me.
Yeah.
You know, and it's strange, but I guess तो ठीक है, अच्छी बात है.
Another thing is कि I think Mummy did grow up a little with us, not a lot.
Yeah,
or maybe a lot. For me, she has, not with you. Maybe.
I think she has grown up about some things. Like कभी-कभी मुझे कुछ चीजें बताती थी वो कि वो लोगों को क्या बताती है, तो मुझे लगता था wow, that's very good. I'm very happy कि आपने भी मेरे साथ सीखा है या हमने सबने सीखा है. And she has some very good qualities. But I think मेरा उनके साथ चक्कर दूसरा है दीक्षा. I think that you know, because I was older when daddy passed away. I think she also looked on to me as the other parent, or probably like a partner sort of a thing. That, and I bore the burden of shame, etc. a lot more. You know, तभी मैं उनकी बात मान लेती थी कपड़ों या हर चीज के बारे में, या अल्कोहल नहीं पीना या कुछ ऐसे, because I used to think that, oh, like if I am caught doing something that is shameful, it will be her shame.
Yeah, absolutely.
कि my father is not there, लोग उनको बोलेंगे, और ये सब चीज़ें वो मुझे बोलती भी थी. तो I think I carried a lot of that, and I used to think that, that for you, I used to think कि I also used to think that you were so young.
Yeah.
तो मुझे हमेशा ये भी लगता था कि I don't want you to carry anything. And I don't know how it
And
plays
so
out.
that's the point, right? You were thinking a certain way. I was thinking another way. So that's why it's very difficult to sometimes understand both sides of the coin, right? Like कि मुझे नहीं पता कि where you're coming from, why you're doing what you're doing. For example, you used to not take any trips in school.
Never. I thought
And I
my
took
mummy.
many trips in school.
I used to fight for your trips. क्योंकि मेरे ट्रिप्स में मेरे को लगता था कि मैं मम्मी से पैसे कैसे, मेरे को याद है एक बार तेरा ट्रिप क्या तेरे स्कूल के अंदर रहने सोने के लिए
I remember that. हाँ.
एंड मम्मी वाज जस्ट नॉट अग्रीइंग, एंड मेमा जी वाज आल्सो सेइंग कि हाँ ठीक है नहीं जाना चाहिए एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड आई वाज लाइक नहीं क्यों नहीं जाना चाहिए, क्यों नहीं. मेरे को बड़ा अच्छे से याद है ये बात, कि जाना चाहिए एंड आई शुड थिंक यार ऐसे तो हम ही दोनों ही मिस कर देंगे सब कुछ लाइफ में. एंड मैं एक ही ट्रिप पे गई चंडीगढ़, मुझे मम्मी से पैसे भी नहीं मांगने में बहुत ये लगता था. आई probably didn't realize कि money is the same as what daddy would have been there, तो भी था. ये मुझे realization नहीं थी. मुझे लगता था कि maybe we are short on money since daddy is not there. ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था. And so I didn't go anywhere, and even I didn't learn anything, right? Like you learned how to dance, you went for mountaineering, you went for all these things, and I could never. I really wanted to learn how. I really wanted to do Shamak Davar or something, and
you did it much later.
Yeah, when I could pay for it myself, and my internship is when I did it. I used to think कि कहाँ मेरे को लेके जाके, क्योंकि द्वारका में तो था नहीं कोई क्लासेस. तू भी जब जाती थी तो संस्कृति जाती थी, तो मैं अपने लिए बोल नहीं पाती थी यार कुछ. I used to just keep it to myself.
Okay, don't cry.
I'm not crying. Shut up.
You are almost best friends with your ex-husband. Yes. And everyone finds it very shocking.
Yeah, most people.
Friends, family, everyone, like the most modern people also.
Yeah, but I also feel that people who really know me, एक basic attraction थी, and we used to enjoy our time with each other.
Wow. Do you just see how this truck came?
Yeah, man, that was crazy. Even just to divorce also, I struggled for a long time.
Okay, my friend Raj Singh Rathod from Rajasthan is online.
Sometimes it's like कि छोड़ दो. I would say today was a start. We talked a lot, we laughed a lot.